An important difference between the iPhone SE2 and the iPhone 8 is called the antenna will be cooler. The iPhone SE2, which is about to be launched in March 2020, will be an improved version of the iPhone 8 smartphone. Today it has become known that in addition to the modern processor, the antenna with a new design will be used in the new product. This will allow the iPhone SE2 to better receive the signal. This was announced by a reputable analyst, Min-Chi Kuo. According to the expert, the antenna in the iPhone SE2 will be made using liquid crystal polymer. It is used in the antennas of the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max. Thanks to the new material, the antenna in the iPhone SE2 will be more compact and provide improved signal reception. According to the specifications of the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, IEEE, a liquid crystal polymer antenna is also more stable at low and high temperatures. The iPhone SE2 is due out in March 2020. The smartphone will be the most affordable of the line of Apple.